I'm Dipper. That's what everyone calls me.
Miss.
Yeah.
Dipper.
Yep.
If you want to take the family out to see a good movie, check out Planes, Fire and Rescue. It's for the little ones, but it features the voices of some big stars, including an actress from Baltimore. Disney Pictures is making the lovely Julie Bowen available to talk with us about it this morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Candace. It is such a pleasure. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad.
Yay. It's such a pleasure to talk with you. As soon as I heard that you were doing this tour, I'm like, I need to get her. We really love you around here, of course, you know, with your ties to Baltimore. Another thing, you on social media, one of my favorite tweets ever comes from you, and you just tweeted it, and you were like, I'm so grateful, and I'm so astounded by an Emmy nomination, but my kids are actually more excited about Minecraft update. So true life. But I'm excited for you.
They don't care. They don't care about anything. I mean, they're basically selfish little monsters that own me. I love them more than anything, and they don't care about anything but Minecraft and what they're going to eat next.
Yes, but the
and
update
now
has
Planes,
wolves.
Fire and
It's
Rescue.
Yes, I was going to say, are they just like thrilled that you did this movie? Did they get all the swag?
Oh. They got all the swag ahead of time. Thank you, Disney, for sending that over to impress them. They had the T-shirts. It's the only time in my career that my kids have given a rat's patootie about what I was doing. Every time we saw the sign or saw the commercial on TV or the trailer, they made the world stop and watch it. It was very, very exciting, and they came to the premiere on Tuesday.
They're like, that's my mama. But you know what? Hey, I know that they're incredibly proud of all that you do. The movie, though, we all love Disney's Planes. I hear this one's drastically different. How so?
It's very different. This is a departure from Dusty Cropphopper's world of racing. He's now gone on to his second career, actually his third career, as a firefighter. And a lot of the people, a lot of the planes in the movie, this is their second career as well. And I play Dipper, an extremely enthusiastic fan of Dusty Cropphopper.
Love it. Can't wait to see it. Gonna ask you, since you're talking to Baltimore, any message to any friends, family, anything you want to say?
I mean, my mom, my dad, Nanny, Scotty, the whole family, all the Lutkemayers, I love you, and I can't wait to come back to Baltimore soon.
And so when you do come back here, will you visit us too?
Absolutely, and the Irvine Nature Center.
Yes.
The greatest place in Baltimore.
I know. It was on the campus of my high school, St. Timothy School. I know you went to Garrison Forest.
So beautiful.
It really is. We're lucky to call Baltimore home, that's for sure, Julie. And thanks for talking with us. We're lucky to hear from you this morning as well.
Thanks, hon.
Sure thing, hon. See you down the ocean, maybe. Planes, Fire and Rescue is rated PG.